Hey guys, so check it out. Look at this mess. My counterpoise wires swinging in the breeze. This was my latest itineration of my hamstick halfway vertical. You can't tell how big that bead line is. That's some really small coax. I think it's got the same loss as RG58, and there's a connector in the middle. And I wanted to make it a worst case situation, right? I wanted to see how it might work under less than optimum conditions. So I stuck the tripod on the wood, the deck, so it wouldn't be coupled to the ground, just for fun, to see if it would change the tuning at all, and it did not. And I stuck it there, and I went in the house, and decided I could not believe my ears. Now I compared it to my Michigan Cacti, which is full size on 10 meters. And yeah, boy, it's full size on every band anyway. The tripod pretty much beats the cacti. But then again, it's an end-fed half wave. And they seem to be loud. You want to take a listen?
Confirmation KZ. Interrogation November Lima Yankee, please. Kilo Echo 3. Just south of Munich. And it was, the Germans, they don't quit working when the temperature gets to be minus 20 degrees or 25 degrees. Because the snow's coming down like crazy.
Come on, Rick.
That's better working conditions. So, yeah, we're out there building a school and a big hospital, because I was on a construction crew, and we're out there sloshing around in the snow, and a big horse-drawn cart pulls up on the job site with cold beer.
Oh.
These guys are drinking cold beer, and it's snowing like crazy, and the temperature, I don't know what it was, but it wasn't real warm, I can tell you that. So I can feel for you, with that wind and that snow you get there in the wintertime, Jared. VO1 Golf United with K0 Echo Delta Delta. Jerry, let me kick it back to you. Didn't mean to leave you out there. K0 EDD in the group. This is W6WQA, over.
Tripod mounted hamstick vertical. Let's compare it to my ground mounted full size 10 meter vertical. This is the tripod. K6FRC/R. Let's go to the ground mounted antenna. Now, turn it up. Go back to the tripod. The noise is way out. Let's compare the signal level between my ground-mounted 10-meter vertical and my tripod hamstick vertical. This is the ground-mounted. Here we go. That's a tripod. QSB.
So you got a couple of 3 extra hours.
When he peaks out, I'll go back.
I just haven't had an opportunity to stay comfortable.
Tripod.
Temperature-wise, it's pretty warm down here.
Ground mounted.
I hate to sit and idle a truck very long.
Ground mounted.
Hour after hour. I'll crank
Tripod.
it up and cool off and then cut it off. It takes a few minutes for it to crank back up, but that gets kind of old and tedious. But
Tripod.
It's been very, very good.
Ground mounted. I'll bring you back. Tripod. Ground mounted. Come on. Ground mounted. Remember. Ground mounted. Tripod. Tripod. Ground mounted. Ground mounted. Tripod. And here comes the furnace. Today was the first day this year that we used the furnace. Sadly, tragically, here comes the heating season. And yeah, have to get back in the habit of turning the thermostat down when I'm going to make a video. But I didn't plan to. It just happened.